Hi there. Can you find the outcome of this infinite sum out here? Before we solve this, you may pause the video for a while to try this first on your own. Okay, nice. Let us start. To solve this, we first let this infinite sum expression out here to be s. And so we have s equals 23 minus 46 over 3 minus 184 over 15 and so on. So we just copy this one out here. Then from here, observe that 184 here can be split into 8 times 23. 368 out here can be split into 8 times 46, and 45 out here can be split into 15 times 3. 1472 out here can be split into 8 times 184, and then 225 can be split into 15 times 15. 2944 splits into 8 times 368, then 675 splits into 15 times 45, and so on. And what can we observe? Take note that these terms out here all contains 8 over 15. So by factoring this one out, including the negative or a negative 1, we'll be left with 23 minus 46 over 3 minus 184 over 15 and plus 368 over 45. If we continue this one for terms that we were not able to put out here, we'll have plus 1472 over 225 and so on. And what can we observe here? Take note that this out here is the same as this one. Indeed, we have 23, negative 46 over 3, negative 184 over 15, 368 over 45, 1472 over 225, minus and so on. So this here is equal to s. And so we can replace this whole expression out here with just s. And so we have this. So let's focus on this one. So let's clear out some space and move this up here. So we have now a linear equation with the variable s. So our goal is to find s, since upon obtaining s, we'll be able to find the value of this one, since we denoted this a while ago as s. So solving for s, we start by simplifying this out here. So 23 minus 46 over 3. You may verify that this one is equal to 23 over 3 by basic arithmetic. Then to solve for s, we want to isolate it in one side, so we move 8 over 15 s to the left. And so we'll have s plus 8 over 15 s equals 23 over 3. We can multiply a 15 over 15 out here so that we can combine these two up, and we'll obtain 23 over 15 s equals 23 over 3. To obtain s, we multiply 15 over 23 both sides. So the 15s out here would divide, and so is the 23, then also on the right side, and so is 15 over 3, that would give us 5. So apologies for the noise, I don't know if you can hear it, you probably can, but going back to our solution, we'll be left with, so this one and this one, we'll be left with s equals 5. And this is what we want, since our goal is to find the value of s, since obtaining s would give us the sum for this one, since we denote this as s a while ago. And so s equals 5 out here is our final answer. This means that the infinite sum given to us, 23 minus 46 over 3 minus 184 over 15 plus 368 over 45 plus 1472 over 225 minus 2944 over 675 minus 11776 over 5375 plus and so on is just simply equal to 5. So yeah, quite a complicated sum out here is just simply equal to 5. So yeah, math, it's magical. So yeah, I hope you got that one correctly. If you didn't, you may pause the video, rewind, recap, and yeah, check the parts that you find quite confusing. You may chat it below if you want some clarification, or if you have other questions, or if you have other solutions, you may also comment that down below and I'll try to check that one out. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed and learned a lot from this one, and that is all for this how to solve video.